Welcome back to Frugal American. In any long-term survival situation, having access to a reliable, nutrient-dense food supply is crucial. One of the best ways to ensure you're prepared for a stuff-hits-the-fan scenario is by stockpiling powdered foods that are both lightweight and have extended shelf lives. These foods provide essential nutrients like carbohydrates, protein, fats, and vitamins, without the need for refrigeration, making them ideal for emergencies. Powders are versatile and can be incorporated into a variety of meals, from soups and stews to shakes and baked goods, ensuring that you can maintain your health, energy, and morale. The following list ranks 10 powdered foods from least important to most essential, detailing how each one can serve as a vital resource in a survival situation. 10. Powdered cocoa. Powdered cocoa, while not essential for survival, serves a valuable role in improving morale and providing a small but meaningful nutritional boost. Cocoa is rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, which help protect cells from damage, and contains trace amounts of minerals such as magnesium and iron, both of which can be beneficial in stressful situations. Additionally, cocoa contains a mild stimulant, theobromine, that can provide a quick energy lift, helping to stay alert during extended periods of fatigue. In a stuff-hits-the-fan situation, powdered cocoa can be added to water or powdered milk to make hot chocolate, providing a comforting and warm beverage when morale may be low. Cocoa can also be mixed into other foods to enhance their flavor, or combined with powdered milk to create nutritious snacks or treats, helping to stave off food fatigue in long-term survival settings. 9. Powdered gelatin. Powdered gelatin is a versatile and underrated survival food, primarily known for its high collagen content, which supports joint health, skin regeneration, and overall physical resilience. In a long-term survival scenario, where physical strain and injury might be common, gelatin can help maintain the structural integrity of connective tissues and bones, reducing the risk of wear and tear. It's especially valuable when fresh meat sources are unavailable, as the gelatin can provide a small but valuable amount of protein. In terms of uses, powdered gelatin can be added to soups or broths to thicken them, giving meals more substance and making them more filling. It can also be used to make jellies, gummy snacks, or to bind ingredients together. For people needing an easy way to consume protein without chewing, or if they are in need of soft, easily digestible food, gelatin offers a flexible way to supplement nutrition in challenging circumstances. 8. Powdered butter is a high-calorie, fat-rich food that's crucial in any long-term survival situation. Fat is essential for human health, particularly in terms of providing concentrated energy and supporting cellular function. When in a survival scenario, maintaining adequate calorie intake is critical, especially when engaging in physical labor or enduring harsh weather conditions. Powdered butter, which has an extended shelf life, can be added to virtually any food to increase its caloric content and provide necessary fats that might be lacking in more carbohydrate-heavy emergency rations. It can be reconstituted with water to create a spread or used as is in baking or cooking to enhance flavor and texture. Powdered butter also helps with absorbing fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, which are often hard to get from typical long-term storage foods, making it a versatile and essential ingredient for maintaining proper nutrition in a survival situation. 7. Powdered peanut butter is a fantastic addition to any survival food stockpile, offering a rich source of protein and healthy fats in a lightweight, shelf-stable format. Peanut butter, in its powdered form, retains most of the nutrients found in traditional peanut butter but has a longer shelf life and is much easier to store. It is particularly high in protein, which is vital for maintaining muscle mass and overall strength in a survival situation. Additionally, powdered peanut butter is rich in healthy fats, which provide sustained energy, essential when food is scarce and you're required to be active for extended periods. In a survival scenario, powdered peanut butter can be rehydrated and spread on crackers, mixed into smoothies, or added to baked goods. It also makes for a great base in energy bars or protein snacks, offering both flavor and nutrients. Its versatility and nutritional profile make it an excellent high-energy food source when resources are limited. 6. Powdered honey retains the natural properties of liquid honey, including its antibacterial qualities and natural sweetness, but in a more convenient, shelf-stable form that lasts indefinitely. In a stuff-hits-the-fan situation, maintaining energy levels is crucial, and honey's simple sugars are quickly absorbed, providing an immediate energy boost during periods of physical exertion. Additionally, honey is known for its soothing effects on the throat and digestive system, which can be beneficial if dealing with illness, dehydration, or food rationing. Powdered honey can be mixed into water or beverages to sweeten them or rehydrated to create a syrup-like consistency. In terms of versatility, it works as a sweetener for baked goods, tea, oatmeal, or any meal that needs flavor enhancement. In survival situations where morale and maintaining energy are equally critical, powdered honey serves as both a quick energy source and a way to make less appetizing food more palatable. 5. Powdered milk is one of the most important powdered foods for long-term survival, providing essential nutrients like protein, calcium, and vitamins such as D and B12. These nutrients are vital for maintaining strong bones, muscle function, and immune health. In situations where fresh dairy is unavailable, powdered milk acts as a substitute, ensuring that essential dairy-based nutrients are still accessible. It is extremely versatile and can be used in a variety of ways. Powdered milk can be reconstituted as a beverage, added to coffee or tea, or mixed into cereals and oatmeal. Additionally, it can be used as a base for creamy soups, sauces, or even homemade yogurt if you have the resources. In survival scenarios, the ability to quickly access protein and calcium from powdered milk can make the difference in maintaining physical health over long periods of hardship. It's lightweight, stores for years, and is an excellent way to stretch the nutritional value of your food storage. Note that powdered milk can be purchased as both low-fat and whole milk. 4. Powdered eggs are an incredibly useful source of protein and nutrients in any survival food plan. Eggs contain a complete profile of essential amino acids, which are critical for muscle repair, immune function, and overall health. While fresh eggs are a staple in many diets, they aren't practical for long-term storage, making powdered eggs an excellent substitute. They have a long shelf life and can be easily rehydrated for use in scrambled eggs or baking. Powdered eggs are especially useful for making pancakes, bread, or other survival-friendly baked goods, providing both flavor and nutrition. In survival situations where protein intake might otherwise be limited, powdered eggs offer a reliable and portable protein source. They also provide key nutrients like vitamin D and B12, which can be difficult to obtain from other stored food. Overall, powdered eggs are an indispensable resource for anyone preparing for a long-term survival scenario. 3. Powdered vegetables like spinach or kale are a nutrient-dense food source, packed with essential vitamins and minerals that can be difficult to find in other stored foods. They are particularly rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, which are all vital for immune function, blood health, and maintaining good vision. In a survival situation where fresh produce may be impossible to obtain, powdered vegetables help to supplement the diet with critical nutrients that can stave off deficiencies. These powders can easily be added to soups, stews, or smoothies, providing a concentrated source of nutrition without taking up much space. They also rehydrate well, making it easy to incorporate them into a variety of meals. In a long-term survival scenario, powdered vegetables offer the vitamins and minerals necessary for maintaining overall health and energy levels, preventing malnutrition, and ensuring your body can function at its best. 2. Protein powder. Whether made from whey or plant-based sources, protein powder is a critical resource in any survival situation due to its ability to provide essential amino acids that help in muscle repair, immune support, and general energy. In a world where protein from fresh meat or fish might be scarce, protein powder becomes an invaluable resource for maintaining strength and endurance. Whey protein is particularly fast-absorbing, making it ideal for quick energy, while plant-based proteins are a good alternative for those with dietary restrictions. The powdered form ensures a long shelf life, and it is lightweight and easy to store. Protein powder can be mixed with water, milk, or other liquids to create shakes, or added to soups, oatmeal, or baking recipes. Its versatility allows it to be incorporated into many meals, helping to sustain physical health when other protein sources are unavailable. It's an essential addition to any survival pantry, ensuring that daily protein needs are met with minimal preparation. 1. Powdered rice or wheat, also known as flour. Powdered rice or wheat is the cornerstone of survival food storage, providing essential carbohydrates needed for energy and mental focus. Carbohydrates are the body's primary fuel source, and in a survival situation, maintaining energy levels is critical for both physical tasks and mental clarity. Rice and wheat flour are highly versatile ingredients that can be used to make bread, flatbreads, tortillas, or thickened soups and stews. They provide long-lasting, calorie-dense food that can be easily transformed into a wide range of meals. Flour is also relatively easy to store and has a long shelf life. In a long-term survival situation, powdered foods are some of the most practical and essential items you can store. These powders provide crucial nutrients like proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and vitamins, all in lightweight, compact, and long-lasting forms. From powdered cocoa that boosts morale to powdered grains that provide energy-rich carbohydrates, each of these foods plays a vital role in maintaining health, energy, and well-being during difficult times. Stockpiling a variety of powdered foods ensures that you're prepared not just to survive, but to thrive, even in the most challenging conditions. By incorporating these 10 powdered staples into your food storage plan, you'll have a versatile and nutrient-dense foundation to sustain you through any extended emergency. Thank you for visiting the Frugal American channel. Please subscribe and come back for more of all things frugal and preparedness.